Hello, okay, first thing first, I am going to be doing my brows. I know I'm moving pretty quick, but I'm filling in my brows, making sure those look good. Now I'm going to be brushing them with the spoolie to make sure that they're blended very well so that they can look real. Then I'm going to be going in with my Pro Concealer. I believe that color is in Fawn. I'm going to go in and clean up my brows with the Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Then I'm going to just take a sponge and blend that concealer right into my skin. You guys, this took all day to do. Then I'm going to go back up with the Pro Concealer in Chestnut. This one is closer to my skin tone, so I like to use a concealer closer to my skin tone at the top of my eyebrows to make them look more real. I use a little lighter one for the bottom to get a little highlight. Okay, so I'm going to be using this primer called Can't Stop. I think it's Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I could be wrong, or just Can't Stop. But anywho, yes, I'm putting that primer on. I'm going back in with my Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm putting that on my eyelids. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend that right out on both eyes. Yep, I'm going to be blending it right out. Then I'm going to go in with some translucent powder. I cannot remember. It's I forget the name of it, but I'll have it in the description. But I'm just going to put powder on my eyelids to make sure my eyelids do not crease and that my eyeshadow stay on my eyes. Yeah. Yep. That is what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go in with my Soft Glam eyeshadow palette by Anastasia. Now I use like maybe 4 to 6 different shadows. So I can't really say which all ones I used. But if you just swatch, I use a light shade first, and then I use a little darker shade from the first shade, and then I just build up from there. And then I'm just blending, blending, blending. Blending is our best friend. Anybody in the beauty industry or in the beauty market knows that you have to blend your makeup. You have to. And so there I am. I'm just blending away. Blending away. Moving on to the other eye. I'm blending on that eye. I'm going back and forth on each eye to make sure the colors are even and blended. So right now we're on a 4th transition color. Yeah, I kind of lost track after that. So yep, blending. I'm just deepening that crease because I want it to kind of like stand out a little bit. Just because I use soft eyeshadow colors, so I really had to build on my colors to get some type of effect and some type of color to pop. And right now I'm just taking the first eyeshadow I use, and I'm just well, now I'm blending the dark color, but before I was using uh, the first eyeshadow color to blend out any harsh lines I may have had. Now I'm going in with this light purple, and I'm putting this on my eyelid. It's very light. You can see it barely. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye with that light purple. Just making sure that it's blended in very well. Then I'm going in with a darker, I want to say this one is like a maroon, maybe. Yeah, like a maroon color. I'm kind of trying to go off the colors on my shirt. I tend to try to do that when I do makeup, try to find what I'm wearing. So now what I'm doing is blending that maroon color into the light purple that I put on my eye. I want them to combine together so that we do not have any harsh lines. We don't want harsh lines. It will mess up the whole look. So I'm just going back to add in, various spots with the light purple, making sure it stands out. I'm going to go back and blend out all the eyeshadow, making sure everything is connected and blended in together. Going back in with some darker brown to get like a little smoky eye effect. I want to deepen that outer corner as much as I can. So that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, so I'm going in with this liner. I think it's called a tattoo liner. I really love it. Like it glides. It's like I love that is a liner I really love. That's a felt tip. Not is that a felt tip pen? Well, I love that. Anywho, it goes on very well. I don't really have to struggle and fight with it. I'm just winging it out. Now I know I said this was a simple, beginner-friendly makeup look. I did not have to add the liner, but I did just because my eyeshadow was so basic and simple. I felt like I needed something to bring out the eyeshadow, so I'm adding the liner. You guys, that primer I put on my face dried my skin completely out. I don't know what's wrong. Oh, goodness. But anywho, moving on. So I'm going to go in with this, I believe that's a CoverGirl foundation. And I'm just going to dab it everywhere with this Beauty blender sponge. Then I'm going to go in with my Real Technique foundation brush, and then I'm just going to blend out that foundation on my entire face, making sure I touch all parts as much as possible. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. It's important that you guys blend. Very. So then I'm going to go in with that Pro Concealer Girl in Fawn. I really love that. That fawn color is really great for like brown skinned, dark skinned girls. Like it's not too much, it's just right. Even for like caramel girls, it would be good just for your complexion. But for a highlight, it's not overbearing. And I love that about that concealer. So right now I'm just blending out that concealer, blending out them highlight points, trying to get my basic makeup to pop a little bit. Then I'm going in with that translucent powder. And I don't like to really bake and let it sit for a very long time. I like to really get it on and blend it into my skin to set it right away. Now I will let myself bake when I'm doing eyeshadow underneath my eye. You guys will see that shortly coming up. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly foundation stick. I believe that's in Earth. Either Earth or Ebony. I'm not sure. It's in one of them. I know for sure. Earth or Ebony. I have both, but that might be Earth because that one is a little cool. More cooler. Then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Mahogany bronzer. I really love that bronzer. I mean, it really gets the job done. I really love it. So I'm going in, applying that on all the parts I applied the foundation stick on. Basically my contour. I'm going to put that mahogany powder on there. Then I'm going back in that translucent powder because I'm about to put some eyeshadow underneath my eye. So I'm about to smoke my eye out. So I'm going in with a couple of colors, just two for underneath my eye. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. It's SBE Aesthetics. Subscribe. Even comment below down on this video. Let me know what else tutorials I should do or you guys think I should do or you want to know. So now I'm just blending out that translucent powder. Then I'm going to take whatever excess foundation I had from the Anastasia stick on that brush and just contour my nose with it. Then I'm going to go back in with my powder brush, and I had a little translucent powder on there and I contour with that. Now I'm going in with my Trio blush from Anastasia. I really love this blush. It's so pigmented and it just a little goes a long way, as you can see. A little goes a long way and I love it. I really like just use all three. Now I'm going in with my black eyeliner pencil. I believe that's from Ruby Kisses. I'm not sure. But I'm just putting that on my waterline. Now I'm going to go in with this Tarte, I want to say Tarte mascara. It's pretty cool. I like the mascara. Now I'm going to go and apply my eyelashes. You guys, I actually did my eyelashes pretty fast in this video. Like, I was shocked. Like, I don't think I ever did them this fast and so good. So anyway, I'm putting glue on there. I'm using the Duo glue. This one, I did not use any tweezers. I literally just used my fingers to put the lash on there. Right now, I'm blowing them to make sure that they're a little tacky and dry for me to apply. Well, not completely dry, but tacky. So here I am. I'm kind of like holding my eye down, but it's still kind of like open. And I apply the lash. My lashes are difficult to put false lashes on because they're super curly. I'm going to go ahead and apply the other lash on the other eye. Oh. I was feeling myself, you guys. Like, okay. All right. So, I believe this lip liner is from Ruby Kisses. I could be wrong. But it's so pretty. It matched my shirt. Like, I was going for like some type of maroon pink. Something that would match my shirt. I could have did even like a blue-green, like the blue and green in my shirt, but for some reason the pink worked. Now I could have left my lip matte as well, but I decided to put gloss. So we're gonna, it's coming up. So I'm going to be going in with my Fenty. I want to say that's the Milk Gloss. And I'm going to apply that all on my lips so that I can get a nice little milk shine to my lips. Then I'm going to put a little bit more mascara on the bottom lashes just so my eyes can pop and be open. By the way, purple goes good with brown eyes, so my eyes were really like standing out in that purple. Then I'm going to go in with this Glow Minerals. It's a highlighter that can be used on your brow bone as well, but in my case, I'm using them in the corners of my eye just so that they can pop a little more. Just cleaning up any residue that probably fell or got below the lash line. I guess I'm feeling myself, okay? Well, all right. Again, you guys, subscribe. I'm on Instagram and Facebook at SBEAESTHETICS. And I'm filming myself pictures. I'm showing you guys what it looks like. Hello everyone, so welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. So today I did, I'm looking in the mirror too, so today I did like a simple beginner friendly makeup look. Nothing too dramatic or nothing too fancy. I mean, besides the wing liner, I probably could have did without the wing, but I just put the wing liner on just because my eyeshadow was super simple. So I just wanted to do something simple. I wanted something to match my shirt. I could have did a matte lip or a gloss, but I chose the gloss. I like it. Like I said, super simple eyebrows, super simple. Anybody can do this. Just watch the video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, SBE Aesthetics. I do know that it was once called Do It Girl, but that name has switched to SBE Aesthetics. So this is, I had a couple of videos prior to this one, but this will be the first video. So first video with, I'm working with what I'm working with, so bear with me. So yep, this is the look. If you guys like it, my hair, I don't know what I'm doing with my hair tonight, I don't know, but this is what it is, y'all. Simple look. You can wear this look to any place. I mean, it's pretty simple. If you wanted a new lip, you could do some brown lip gloss or something like that, or brown lip liner. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if there's anything you guys want to see me do. Again, this is like my first video. Like the setup and everything is like crazy because I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what this video is going to look like right now until I actually go and look. So hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully it was all caught on camera. And yeah, again, and I'll post pictures. This is the look. And I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.